So if your New Year's resolution is to potty train your child, I have a solution. I know it's a little odd. I'm the fix-it guy, you know, doing things about your home, but check this out. This is a toilet seat by Bemis that actually has an integrated child potty trainer in it. And it can actually be your toilet seat all the time. I mean, think about it. You got little kids coming over. This is awesome. So I'm going to show you how to install it. Now, I already have a Bemis toilet seat on my toilet, and so it's going to be super easy because the hardware is just click off and click on. You're going to see, and then I'll show you the features of the toilet seat. But the reality of it is I've got other videos on the YouTube channel that we have, our HouseSmarts TV YouTube channel, that shows you how to put toilet seats on, but this is a good one. Okay, so this is one of these soft close toilet seats that I love, wood. I'm a big wood toilet seat fan. And this, the Bemis stuff has, this is not a paid advertising by the way, but they have these little clips on the back that you just lift up with your fingers and you pop them off, and then you just slide the toilet seat forward like that. You see these clips right here? And the hardware is still down in there. This is actually really good if you are really someone that likes to clean your toilet. You can pop this whole thing off, clean the whole thing, and put it back. Now, with the new potty training toilet seat, it's just going to slide right on. Now you can see it sort of looks like a regular toilet seat. Same clips that I mentioned. So I'm going to go ahead and pop those up, and they should line up with the hardware. And you're going to line these up and slide it on. And then there's your toilet seat. But here is where the magic is. When you open up this toilet seat, you see that there's an integrated smaller potty seat in the top. So now all you end up doing when the little one comes over, you just drop the seat down, ready to go. You want to use it under normal situations, works great, and it's soft close. Pretty cool. Easy to install. Your New Year's resolution, make life easier on the little guy or gal.